If you ever needed to change your Apple ID in the App Store, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to remove your existing Apple ID in the App Store and also how to change your Apple ID. In order to change your Apple ID in the App Store, let's first open App Store on your iPhone, and once logged in, you have to tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. And when you tap on that, here you can see the details about your Apple ID. Next, you have to simply scroll all the way down and then you will get the option to sign out. Here you'll see the option for signing out. So tap on sign out, and now we have removed the Apple ID, that was the existing Apple ID, from the App Store on our iPhone. Next, we will log in with the new Apple ID. For that, simply scroll all the way up and then you will see this option for signing in with Apple ID. So tap on sign in with Apple ID, and then here you will get the prompt to continue with the existing one which was previously logged in. So since we want to change our Apple ID and log in with a new Apple ID, so we will not tap on continue. Instead, we will tap on note Tech Review Pro or anything, the name that you see here. So tap on note your name here, and after that you'll get the interface to log into a new Apple ID here. So simply enter your new Apple ID here and then also enter your password and tap sign in, and that will log into your new Apple ID and change the Apple ID in the App Store on iPhone. So that is how you may change your Apple ID in the App Store on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to change your Apple ID in the iPhone itself, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.